Billy, wait!
Are you okay?
Fine.
Well, come on. Are you mad?
No.
Well, what's with the dramatic exit?
I don't know. Maybe I'm getting sick of hearing people's problems all the time, nonstop. Maybe that's getting to me. You know, maybe my parents were right. Maybe I shouldn't work here during the summer. You know, I mean, who am I? Who am I to give people advice anyway?
What about the advice you gave me on our date? I mean, come on, it was perfect. It was on target.
Yeah. But I can't help thinking that maybe my parents are right. Maybe I should be giving swimming lessons at the country club or something, you know?
How can you say that? What about when you took over Marty's call? You were great. Come on. I mean, if you hadn't gotten on that line, that girl would be in the morgue right now, and you know it. You can't leave. You belong here.
Joey, I got a call today from a guy who hasn't spoke to his parents in 3 years. He was calling from a hospital. He had been shooting drugs and using a dirty needle and had given himself a bad case of hepatitis.
He was there alone?
Yeah, but he wanted to talk to his parents, but didn't know how. So he asked me if I would talk to him. It kind of got me thinking about my own problems, you know?
What problems?
Joey, I don't have problems like other people might think I have.
What you mean about lying to your folks about the community?
No, that's nothing compared.
Compared to what, Billy?
It's a big deal thing.
Did you do something wrong?
Wrong. That's a matter of opinion.
But are you in some kind of trouble? Like, is it drinking or something?
Joey, it's not that simple.
Okay. Is it something your folks don't know about yet?
Oh yeah.
Well, then what is it? But how bad can it be?
Joey, this is very difficult.
We're friends.
I know that.
I wouldn't tell a soul.
I want to tell you. I've been wanting to tell you for a long time now.
Listen, you don't have to, okay?
I want to.
Well, if it's really that bad...
It's not that bad. It's just... It's really hard, you know. You gotta promise that if I tell you, you wouldn't say a word of this to my parents.
Billy, I don't hang out with them. Wait, does this have anything to do with Alana?
No. Well, yeah, sort of.
But have you and Alana done something?
No, I haven't. And no, she isn't. I understand.
Oh, then what is it?
Joey, I'm gay.
What do you mean you're gay? Is this some kind of joke or something?
I knew I shouldn't have told you.
Billy, wait.
It's okay, man. You're not going to get it.
I didn't mean...
It's not contagious, you know.
I'm sorry. Okay?
Sorry for what?
I don't know.
Maybe that's it. You don't know. Because you don't understand.
I don't know what to say.
Then don't say anything.
Okay. It's just a surprise, you know. It surprised me.
And you don't know what to say.
Yeah.
Then don't.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, so are you gonna be at the center tomorrow?
Maybe. Yeah, sure.
Billy, why didn't you tell me this before?
The same reason I wish I never told you now.
Don't say that, okay?
Why? Look how you're taking this.
It's being what you are.
What is it, Joey? What am I? Can you say it?
Yeah, of course I can say it, Billy. being that you're gay. No problem, okay? We're still friends, right?
I hope so.
We are, okay? Nothing's changed.
If you say so.
Well, I do. I say so.
Okay. I'll, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.